is up? It's us again. This is our second video now, my days. For today, we're gonna play Demonology, which is we need to identify kung anong kuso magpaparamdam sa atin. Sana mag-enjoy kayo habang nanonood sa amin. Ready na ba kayo, Masters? At matakot kasama namin? Ay, huy! So without further ado, let's start! Here we go again. Oh my God. Ang kulit na. This is awesome. Saan yung ano niya? Base niya. Dito yung ano. Hello. Ay, dito yata yung base niya. Oh, dito nga ba?
May ghost orbs! May ghost orbs! Ando dito siya, oh!
Saan?
Yeah, we have ghost orbs because that's... I think ghost orbs, yan. This is small flying...
Silence na natin ang yellow. Uy, ubi! Takbo! Ubi, takbo! Uy! Ubi, ayun siya, oh.
Mag-aapak ba siya?
Hindi ko din... Ay, may puppet, oh. Wag. Baka mag-attack siya. Look. May puppet siya, oh. Ayun, oh. Tingnan mo ba? Ayun, oh.
Ayun!
Merong ghost orb, di ba, be?
May ghost orbs.
Yellow mo na. Highlight mo na ng yellow, be. Yung ano, evidence.
Yeah.
Yo, look at his eyes daw. Nakakatakot.
Kunin ko lang ibang ano.
Ay, ano din? Laser projectile. Nakita natin siya. Laser projectile din, de. Highlight mo yellow din.
Ano?
Laser projector. Tapos yung ghost orb. Ghost orb and... Okay na? Okay na?
And... Ayan.
Yeah, eto.
Kasama ba yan?
Ah.
Ayaw, kasama.
Yung ano, laser projector.
Sige, baba mo. Kasama yan ba yung na yan?
Oo. Kumbra.
Project?
Kumbra do not make first footsteps sound. They move slower and lift rooms. Okay. Para about Indigo and Moves. Thieves can walk through fire. They can only start a house. But how about Indigo? Indigo won't start a hunt near a big fire. They move faster. It's either Wisp, Indigo, or what? I wala pa yung lighter. We don't have lighter. Oh, look at this arrow. Look.
Ayan, ang prince na yan, prince!
Oh,
Evidence. Oh, it's okay, be. Hawas na
It's
ano, umbra.
yeah.
Be,
Oh my,
did you got it?
oh, yeah. Ang bilis natin
Let's go.
natapos.
Ayan ang auntie.
Oo nga eh. Ang bilis natin.
Guys, I think we did it. It's our first time.
That's our first time in our...
Turtle mo na ba?
Yes. Na-highlight ko na. Oh my
Let's
God.
go. Goodbye.
Finish job. mali pa. Ano? Oh my days. Mali. Mali. Woo! It's success. Sandali ngayon. Oh my days.
Parang ano lang siya eh.
It's so easy.
7 minutes, gano'n.
Oh, 7 minutes then. Hide na tayo. It's hide na.
Try natin. Try. Gagawin ko siya.
Sayang wala bawal pa tayo bumili. Okay, let's go. Ay, ang dali natin natapos ng first time. Oh my days. Okay, let's go. Let's
Take my equipment and this thing and let's go.
Where his favorite spot? Where his favorite spot kaya? Where has favorite? Oh, yeah, may ano dito. Ooh.
Gulat ako sa iyo, eh. Nagulat ako sa iyo, eh.
Sinantahan natin ito. May lighter. Sindihan kaya natin. There's a lighter, Bill. Look. Sindihan kaya natin.
Ay,
Wait, wait.
lang, buksan lang. Ay, sige.
Prepare muna natin.
Wait lang, buksan lang.
Prepare the... The book, also the flashlight. Are you following? Tara na ba? Sindihan ko na. Tala pa eh. Wala na. Akala ko. Ano ka yan?
Dito ka muna, dito ka muna.
Okay, wait. Last na to. Oh my days. What will happen kaya? Uy. Okay na ba? Nasindihan ko ba lahat?
Kaya na mangyari. Oh, did you see that?
Wala, hindi ko na-open to. Okay na ba? Ay, hindi pa pala.
Pwede siya,
Oh, yun siya. Oh my days. Oh my days.
So, this is...
Okay na ba? Wala na ka na? Wala na ba siya? Okay na, wala na. Oh. He's throwing things. Nag-yellow siya. Yellow. Thermometer.
Okay guys, takot kasi kami, sorry. Ayan, Ben, nalanta to.
Uy! Evidence for yung evidence na ako may days. Waiter. Dapat natin to spirit box. Wala.
That's like an angel. Wait, let me see the ghost side.
Okay. He's throwing things, oh. Pero nagkakalat siya, hindi naman siya
Paano kayo mag-fire dito?
Anong fire ba?
Wala lang. Ay, okay. Be, okay na. Wala na siya.
Ay, wala na siya.
Yung camera.
Ay, tingnan mo kung may ghost orb eh. Walang ghost orb. Look. Look. There's a handprint. Handprint. Nawala na.
Handprint?
Yes.
Meron? Okay, handprint. It's either these two. Diebook or Keres. Keres?
Keratin?
Ito yung ano. Keres and Diebook. No.
Natutok ba siya? Five. Wait, check muna natin. Uy,
Go far away.
Go far away? Natutok siya?
Go far away.
Uy, wait, wait. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Hindi siya nagsalita.
Baka freezing temp. Paano ba malalaman kapag nag-freeze? Kapag nag-2 or 1?
Ay, wait lang lang.
Where's the ano?
Wait na.
Ayun.
Hmm,
If you see ano temperature of freezing 0 or 3 breath, it is freezing. Find the will gradually if the process faded. That will eventually
The ghosts will not reply if the lights are turned
Ayan pa ba siya?
on your corner or if you are too far. Okay.
Paano? Anong
Wala na ba?
bilis. Ang bilis mo. Paano kapag nag-5 5.32 siya?
Ay, sabi na napapulay siya. Piling mo talaga gabi. Ano siya, Keres?
Keres? Keres?
Di ba yung Keres merong ano?
Oh,
Ay, ano? It has wings.
hindi
Okay na, okay na. Okay na.
Wait, hindi pa. Wait. Ay, wait. Okay na.
Ay, namatay ako! I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. Ala, hindi namin ano yung ano.
Ako.
Dahil
May sis. Hindi ako nakapagtakbo na sa bedroom ako. Sayang, babe.
Okay, let's go.
Nangalan. Ay, dito ba yun? Ayun daw. Cat mo. Wait. Uy, ang bilis. Ang bilis na. Wait, tingnan mo natin kung may Jason pa. Wait. Siren. A female voice. EMF level. Orcheres again, it's handprint. But do we have handprints? Bing! Nagpa-5 siya, be? Hindi pa? Hindi siya kumakanta. Nag-5 siya? Ay, nag-red siya? Pag nag-5 daw, wait lang, check ko. Yeah, pag 5. Baka magpa-5 yan, wait lang. Wait lang natin. Sige, go. What is happening? Anyari? Benag ano siya? Level 5? 4 lang siya, oh my gosh. Di naman siya kumakanta, be. Boy. Keres? Oo nga, iba ka Keres. Wait lang. Wala namang handprint. Ay, hindi, spirit. Ay, ano? Handprints pala. May handprints? Keres. Be, may handprints? Be? Ay, oo nga pala, wala, hindi pa natin natitignan. Wait natin, nakaalis to. Wala siyang handprints, be. Bakit ganon? Babae? Babae, be? babae.
Okay, babae. Ay, hindi dapat may ano siya. Level 5. Okay na yan.
Siren na.
Yes. Tatakbo tayo, wait lang. Okay na? Okay guys, that's all. Kung tama, tignan natin kung tama. What do you think will it be? Woo! Tama tayo!
So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like our videos and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. We will still posting kahit unti lang ang nanonood sa amin, guys. Why not, diba? See you on our next videos. Bye!
That's all for today's video and we completed it. Thank you guys. Bye!